A growing number is a number where each digit from left to right is greater than or equal to the previous one. Given a number n, which may or may not be a growing number, you have to find the first growing number greater than n. Example: with n equal 19, the first growing number greater than n is 22, because both 20 and 21 have a second digit that is smaller than the first one. Note, this problem can be solved without converting n to a number. I'm using PHP for this puzzle. So the first line is a string representing the number n. The output is the first growing number greater than n. Constraints: n less than 10 to the power of 19. Example: input 19, output 22. And there's 5 test cases. Right. The first line of this code reads a string from the standard input using string getLine. It reads a maximum of 32 characters plus a new line character, and converts it to a string using the string typecast. The input is stored in the variable n. The program then starts a for loop, which repeatedly loops over the characters in the string n, starting at index 1. Each character is evaluated against the one before it is in the loop. The current character for the if statement to be true, which is included inside the loop. This comparison determines if the string is ordered in a non-decreasing fashion. If the comparison condition is true, it means that the string is not sorted correctly. In this case, the code enters the if block and performs the following actions. It constructs a new string by taking a substring of n from the start until index I, which is the position where the first issue was found. It appends the new string the result string repeat, which repeats the previous character. The resulting string is assigned back to the variable n, effectively replacing the portion of the string that was not sorted correctly. After the loop, the code echoes the modified string n concatenated with a new line character. This displays the corrected string on the standard output.